Hey everyone, welcome. I am starting a new series where I build a contractor directory for Austin, Texas from scratch. I am going to show you everything throughout this process, the setup, the SEO strategy, importing listings, and we'll track traffic and leads over time. Contractors need leads. Homeowners search Google and search engines for plumber near me, Austin roofer, things like that. So we're going to try and capitalize on that traffic and monetize it, but we'll get to that later. The reason I picked Austin's growing fast, lots of construction and renovations. It's a big enough market where there should be good enough search volume, but we'll see how it performs. We're going to go through this together. This is new to me for a city directory, but we'll see how it goes. The home service categories I'm going to start with are roofing, plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and we'll start broad, and as we get listings added, we'll fine tune those. All right, enough about that. Let's get into this. I am on mydirectorykit.com, and this is a platform I built specifically for directories just to make it a little simpler to manage and automate them with AI. So I'm going to click Get Started. I'm going to pick this Advanced Directory plus AI SEO plan. I'm going to do no setup. We're going to set this up on our own here and continue to check out. I'm just going to call this Austin Contractors. Now this will add a subdomain, but you can add a live domain later on, and we'll get to that in a later video, but just wanted to point that out. Now I'm going to skip this, and we will come back after I check out. All right, I just checked out. Looks like the site is ready. So we're going to click Access Your Site. That's going to log into the dashboard. For the most part, it is a WordPress site. It is going to come with WooCommerce and Elementor and Gravity Forms, things like that. Pretty straightforward general plugins. This directory kit section here is what we're going to focus on, as well as a little bit of AI SEO setup. We might get to that in this video, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, first thing we're going to do is come to listings, and we're going to set up our categories. We're just going to set up basic, pretty straightforward categories. And when we get into this, I guess I should not skip ahead and just show you the demo site that comes out of box with this. WooCommerce notice here. So everything is cloned from the demo site. It comes with a few categories and listings already set up, and some other menu and things like that. You can see these listings are already in here just to have a starting point. We're not going to use any of this, so I'm going to go ahead and come back in here, and I'm going to get rid of these directory categories. And we're going to add our own. I'm going to start with roofing, and I'm not going to put anything else yet. I'm just going to put the title, so if I hit enter, it adds the new category. Let's do plumbing, HVAC, electrical, landscaping, remodeling, and general contractor. Now some of the listings we add will probably belong to a couple of these, but we'll come back and get into that later on. Okay, next step. We're going to set up a little bit more about the SEO side of it, just to have a starting point. Under my AI SEO kit, go to Site Setup, and we're going to fill out this information. And basically, this is the main info or prompt information that AI uses to write content and generate different kinds of content throughout the directory. So we're going to fill this out. So we're going to first do this overview generator, and we're going to just answer these questions. So this is a local business directory where we'll say homeowners in Austin, looking for contractors. Contractors wanting local visibility. What makes your site unique? Let's say focused on Austin metro area. Cannot type today. Organized by services, type, and location. Services, contractors. Generate overview. Now what this does is going to fill out this description right here for us. And I'm going to just use that for now. I'm going to take this out. So it's just expanding on what we filled out for these questions. And we'll go with that for now. And then down here, we're going to select tone. We'll do professional. Let's go with that. We can always change this as we go later on, and it will, moving forward as content is generated and things like that, it'll use it as you update it. I'm just going to leave these blank for now, and I'm just going to save this. All right, primary focus keywords. So the next section, you can type your own here. You can do bulk import, where basically you add one per line or a comma list, and it'll import all of them in here, fill them all in. I'm going to do this AI suggest, and we'll see how this goes. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to select all these. All selected, and I'm going to click add selected. And we'll just go with that for now. We're going to come back and edit this a little bit. I just wanted to get something added so they're in here. Next step is blog setup. And it looks like there was already some blog categories here, so let's get rid of those. No tags. All right, I'm going to do AI suggest again here, and we'll just pick a few. We don't want to have a ton of blog categories right now. Let's just go with all these. These all look pretty good. Add selected. Okay, if I refresh this, they will have been added as blog categories. If I come back here, they'll be in here now as well. That's a pretty good spot. I'm going to leave it here for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about and I'm going to show you how to get real business listings and how to get them added in here. Once we get that, that'll give us a lot more to work with, and then we'll get into more of the AI SEO aspect and the front end design and getting this all pulled together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.